What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We are headed to the drag strip, but first we have to make a pit stop. We gotta stop at Corey's house and help him get his coupe running. He's wanting to take it out to the drag strip. He's having a couple of issues with it, so we're gonna head over there and see if we can get it running, and then we'll head to the track. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, we got it fired up. We had a problem and it ended up being the MSD ignition, but he had another MSD ignition box, so we wired it up and we got it running, so we are headed to the track. Alright guys, we are about to run, first run of the night. It's almost 11 o'clock. We got here kind of late, getting Corey's car on the road, and then they been prepping the track and running some outlaw cars, so now we're able to go. Me and Corey's gonna run down the track and should be a pretty good run. Let's see him down. That's it. Got him. He treed the living shit out of me. That felt like a good run, so let's see what I ran. I'm saying hopefully what I ran last week. Yeah, 741. So 746 was my best. That was a 16260 at a 741 at right at 94 mile an hour. So it's about right.
What do you say?
I was coming around you regardless, though.
I missed my gear bad.
Yeah.
Do you have a
red limiter bad? 60 foot.
162?
162?
Yeah.
I had a 165.
Yeah. You treed the living shit out of me, dude. I left on you big time.
Yeah.
All right, so 16260, 741 at 94.
It's been a good race if I wouldn't have hit third. If I wouldn't have missed third.
Yeah,
You slept.
I know. I still got him though.
Yeah, you come around him.
I missed third gear bigger than
Oh
shit.
yeah, I kind of.
But I was pulling on you. Yeah, I was pulling on you before you missed third. Like I was pulling on you, and then you missed third, and it was like that.
What you run?
741. Alright guys, so we got the wife in the car. It's our first time down the track, so we're gonna see what we can do. Woo!
I miss this, Kim. Glad you got me a helmet. I'm with you right now.
Yeah, guys, I bought a new helmet tonight so she could actually ride with me and I could have more than one person in the car, because usually I can't get people ride sometimes because I don't have a helmet. So, shoot.
I feel like a bubblehead. Look what I made my head.
Not bad. I ran a 754 with her in here, so
Oh.
16760. Alright guys, so that's pretty much ends the night, but I want to show y'all something. I haven't had this car on the channel, but look at this. True forged wheels. 04. 04. I love this car. Mr. Chrome Cobra. I've got to get this car on the channel. It's got a ported Eaton. It's pretty quick. Same guy that owns Mr. Hanky, which we gotta get Mr. Hanky back. All right, guys. If you was on my live feed, I kind of talked a little bit about maybe selling the Fox, and there was a kind of a reason why I might be selling the Fox. And this guy right here is actually Secret Rocker on YouTube, and he's been wanting to buy my Fox. Now, guys, so what should I do? He never owned a Mustang, never owned a Mustang, wants to own a Mustang, and he wants my car back. So what am I going to do? He's currently rocking the Honda. So do we let him rock the Honda, or do we sell him a pretty sweet car? So if we sell the Fox, of course, the money is going to go into that car. So let me know what you think, and we'll see where it goes. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
Alright, you guys, it's Speed Addict 731. What's wrong with my voice? I'm sick. I'm gonna get this Corey guy, drag his ass down the track.
Look at Cody flying the flag on the antenna. That's what I'm talking about.
Hell yeah, brother.
And then the license plate. Don't tread on me. Yes, sir. All right, man. You have a safe night, man.
All right, y'all too.
All right.